Greetings, everyone, and welcome to the annual Tender Engines United meeting. Now, I understand that 2021 was a tough year for all of us, but we'll get through it. Trust me. Gordon, are you sure? Of course, Henry!
Jeez, Gordon, he has autism. Leave him alone, will ya?
Of course, and the director of this video is narrating autism. Crap, I just broke the fourth wall, didn't I?
Yeah.
Anyways, that stuff aside, tonight is Christmas Eve, and tomorrow is the day we get free stuff.
Seems pretty generic to me.
Shut up, Edward! Anyway. Can I just stick with this voice?
Or can I just stick with this voice? I prefer number one.
Okay.
Now, here's how the plan's going to work for White. Gordon, there's an imposter among us.
What, where?
Behind you.
Don't know how I did that. Hello?
Get out of here.
Ah!
And stay out.
Anyways, back to what I was saying is... No more memes, please. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I was saying that since tonight is Christmas Eve, we might as well do something to celebrate. Like staying up late and watching a movie? What? No! Like something actually different. Well, what? Staying up late and waiting till Saint Nick arrives. Or we could just get some milk and cookies. You know, that might just be good enough to work. Operation White Christmas. That's it. Alright, so I'm gonna go over the orders. A few moments later. Sound savvy enough? Yes, over. Good. I'm on my way to get carrots, milk, and cookies. I'll see you later.
Meanwhile, at the Sodor Sudrian apartment.
Hey, heard you wanted some milk and cookies for something. Is that correct? Yes, it is. In fact, it's most right. Or should I say, in fact, that's what I needed most of all. Perfect, because I have all that stuff for you. Thanks, Byron. You're a true soldier. St. Nick's gonna be proud. I just realized we're not gonna do this over thing at all. Over. Oh, shut up, Gordon. And quit breaking the fourth wall. Over.
Meanwhile, back at the sheds.
Alright, guys, I am here. Operation White Christmas is now in session. Over. We're not gonna do this over thing all the time, you know. Over. Oh, shut up. Over. Hey, Gordon. Shut up, Henry. Over. Can I use the bathroom? Over. No. But I really need to go.
The next day, Christmas Day.
What? He
ate the carrot milk and didn't leave any eggs. What a ripoff he was. Not again, Gordon. Hey, look. Hey, look, Gordon, we're saved. Of course. The loving God up in the sky. No, I really mean it. We're saved. Presents for all of us. Under that tree. We're saved. We're saved. We're saved. We're saved. Saved, 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 saved. Oh, quit dancing. Anyways, to the tree. All right, you're the boss. Merry Christmas, everyone, and a happy holidays. Henry, I'm supposed to say that. Oh, shut up. Ow. Dirty Person number 6 would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and a better 2022.